Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. In case you don't recognize me in my mask, I'm being safe here. We're at a local grocery store. Well, it's the only one in town, since the town only has 1,800 people. We thought we saw something here we'd like to do a taste test on. They're called BuzzBallz Chillers. It says 15% alcohol. We're going to pick up a couple and see how they do. Here we are in the wine and beer section, and there's the display for them. They look pretty good. We thought we'd pick up about 4 of them, see how they do, and we'll get to trying them. Well, we are home now. We got 2 more of the BuzzBallz Chillers. Thought we'd open them, test them, see how they are. This one's called Pinapple Colada Chiller. Comes in the white container. The other one is called Rita Chiller, and it's green. So we thought we'd open these and see how they are. Let's try the Colada first. Alright, give it a little taste. That's pretty good, you know. Let's try it over some ice. Got a cup here with some ice in it. Let's try it. Let's do a little drink of it. See how it is. That's pretty good, you know. Wonder how it'd be if we put a little lime in it. I got a little bit of a lime right here. Let's try that. There's a little squeeze of lime in it. Helps it out. Tastes a little bit better. Alright. Well, that was the BuzzBallz Chiller. So, alright, let's try the other one now. Take that glass aside. This one is Rita Chiller. 15% alcohol by volume. Ooh. See how this does. Got the pop tops on it. Try a little taste of it. That's pretty good. Let's try some ice now. Alright. Over the ice, on the rocks they call it. That was pretty good too, you know. I have another video already up here where we had 2 other flavors. Go look at that, see what you think of those. You might try some of these, see what you think about them. If you open them and try them, leave me a comment, tell me what you think about them. Okay? We'll see you next time.